Hello, my beautiful people. Do you have a Nissan Cube like mine's? This good old classic? Well, are you having problems starting it? Or does it start slow, like jig, 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 or does it not start at all? Well, I'm gonna show you how to change the battery. So come along. To remove and install the battery, you're gonna need the right tool. And the right tool is this, a socket wrench with a 10mm socket. But don't worry, if you don't have this, you can go to the dollar store and buy your good old-fashioned adjustable wrench. This you can open and close it so you can get the right size of the battery screws. First thing we're gonna do is go inside the car and lift the lever to open the hood. Now we're gonna open the hood of the car by moving this lever to the left. Now we're gonna keep the hood open by using this stand. And now we're gonna take out this plastic resonator thing so we can get better access to the battery. Remove this protective plastic. Mine's is broken, so it's easy to remove. Now we're gonna loosen up 4 screws. These are the screws that we need to loosen up. Now the fun begins, using the adjustable wrench to loosen up the battery post. To remove the battery cable, you're going to twist it from left to right while pulling it up. And now we're going to loosen up the positive cable and twist it left to right and pull it up. Now we're going to remove these 2 nuts that belong to this bracket that hold the battery down. Now loosen up this nut. Whee! Now we're going to pull up the bracket and put it to the side. Now we're going to remove the bracket rods. Look at this rod, it has a little hook that goes into a little hole down into the battery where it holds the bracket down and holds the battery down. That's important because when we put the battery bracket back, it's a little complicated, but I'll show you how to do it. Keep watching. And here's that other rod, which has the same hook, and it goes into another hole. Now we're gonna put the new battery in, but remember to take off this red protective cover. Please note that the battery has a positive sign on the left post right there. That needs to go connected to the red battery cable of the car. Now this is the trickiest part of all. The rod has the little hook. It's gonna go into a hole into the tray, and that's how it holds the battery in place. Once you hook it into the hole, you're gonna have to keep the rod up while you put the bracket on, and then you tighten up the nut, and you have to tighten it up because if not, then the rod's gonna fall out of place. Now this rod is a little trickier because the hole is not facing towards the battery, it's facing towards the outside of the car. You see the hook is gonna go into the hole, but it's pointing away from the battery towards the front of the car. Once the rod is in the hole, you're gonna keep on holding up the rod and then put the bracket over it in the hole and then screw the nut. And now we're gonna tighten up both nuts to the bracket. Make sure they're nice and tight. Now we're gonna put the negative battery on by twisting it left and right and pushing it down. Sometimes you can hit it down with the wrench so it can fit nice and tight. Make sure the nuts are nice and tight, but don't over tighten them because they can break, but make sure they don't move. Now we're gonna put back this plastic resonator thing. Make sure to look at the holes so they can align to it. And then just push down. And now the moment of truth, the moment that you've been waiting for. We're gonna go inside and see if it turns on. Yes, we have success. Thank you for watching. See you on another one. Peace.